Hi guys, this is Doc Neo and welcome to another unboxing. Today is going to be a fun unboxing kasi fun gadget ang ating i-unbox. Ito yung Mi Portable Printer. So ito yung itsura niya guys. It says it's made for iPhone and iPad. Ooh, pang Apple talaga. Pwede rin sa Android pala. Yun. It uses Bluetooth and it uses the zinc or zero ink technology. Ibig sabihin, hindi tayo mag-refill ng ink. Kapag bumili tayo ng mga cartridges like this, I bought 20 pieces. Ayan. Nandito na yung ink mismo dun sa paper. So, let's try and start to unbox it. Yeah. So, sa Shopee ko lang pala ito guys, nabili. Ayan. So the reason why I want to is because na-inspire ako sa mother ko na yung mga old pictures namin naka-album. So during the time, hindi mo ma-appreciate. Pero ngayon, after so many years, appreciate mo na nandun siya. So I really want to start my kind of scrapbooking sa mga important memories ng personal and sa family. So I decided to... Madami options sa other brands. But syempre, Xiaomi. So, ito na lang yung pinili ko. Here's the guide. May kasama siyang charger. Although I'm kind of sad na hindi pa siya USB-C. So, old mini ba to or micro? USB-A pa rin siya. And USB-C. Ayan. So, yung itsura niya, mukha siyang power bank guys. I like it. It's white. Parang sa bagay sa clinic ko. It's made of plastic na shiny. Tapos, ayun. May dalawa siyang Bluetooth at saka power button. Tapos ito yung kanyang port and then yung power. And then, let's see. May kasama siyang 5 na paper. So, i-unbox na rin natin ito para may idea tayo kung anong laman. Instructions. Yan. So, isa-slide down natin to. Like so. Hindi siya natatanggal completely, nasa slide lang siya. And then, you have to make sure na yung orange daw is facing down or facing the machine. Yeah, may reminder din naman siya doon. Guys. Yeah, so, box natin yung paper. Subukan natin kung meron siyang power. Yeah, so, cut it. So, okay, yan yung itsura niya. Smart sheet. So, ilagay natin lahat. So, sabi ilagay daw. Tatanggalin ba natin yung paper? Place the photo paper and the orange. Pati yung orange. Should be facing down. So, ilagay lang natin lahat guys. Like so. So, I guess 5 to 10 siguro yung naman ito. So, yun na. And then, papower on natin. May ilaw na siya. Bluetooth is yellow. So, may power indicator din siya doon. Ayan. Kulay-puti yung sa power indicator na nagbi-blink like that. I don't know ano. I guess pag red yan. Lobat na siya. But anyway, I'm going to try to install the app and do a sample print. So, wait lang. So, ayun guys, na-install ko na. It uses the same app, yung Mi Home app. And, ayan. Ito yung sample photo. It's charging na sinaksa ko. Pero, let's see it in action. Okay, print. Connect. Oh, wait lang. Hindi ba pala connected? Hey Siri, stop. Pinatigil ko muna. So, connect. Go to the Bluetooth on your phone system. So, Mi Portable. Bluetooth. Doon tayo sa Bluetooth settings. I guess itong Chinese. You're connected. So, ayan guys. To be printed. Ayan, printing my photo. So, it's starting na. Sige, panoorin natin. Oops. Ayan, printing. 0 to 1. Hindi natin ko. Hindi na nagbiblink na siya. Still maybe. Ayun na. Tumanog na. Calibrating printer. Calibrating. Oh, yan na. So, lumabas mo na yung orange. I guess this is the calibration thing. So, I think every time mag-load ka with either 5, 10, or 20, kasi ilalagay mo yung orange paper, magkakalibrate talaga siya. Muna. Should I take it out? So, ayan. Tinanggal ka na ngayon. Printing my photo. Ayan na. Printing 1 of 1. So, para ma-idea kayo kung how long it takes. So, ayan na. Ang bilis naman. Tapos, compare dun sa quality ng actual pictures. Hindi siya super, not what I expected. Pero it's more of pwede na. Ang scrapbooking lang talaga siya. So yun guys, it's done. It's just a small photo. In contrast, hindi ko na makita. Basta sa pictures kasi siya, pero mas malinaw. Oh hindi, habang tumatagal, nagiging mas siya. Mas maganda. So yun guys, this is the Xiaomi portable photo printer and it's unboxing and it's nice for scrapbooking. Again, this is W. See you next time mga ka-techies. Bye bye. So yun guys, I'm trying again. See. There it is. Cute.